Hi buddies, it's me, Cakey. Today we are going to make pumpkin muffin top cookies. I call these muffin top cookies because they're light, cakey, and a little bit puffy, just like the top of a muffin. First things first, remember that Cakey wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you in the kitchen to help out. Let's begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. So I have a bowl here and let's add 1 cup of flour. Next up, we need 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And now a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And finally, we need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Using a whisk, let's mix it up. Terrific! For the time being, we will set aside our dry ingredients bowl and move over to a larger bowl to mix together our wet ingredients, starting with 1 large egg. Next up, let's do 1/2 cup of sugar. Now take hold of a spoon and mix together the sugar and the egg. Now let's take some vegetable oil and add 1/4 cup. And for the star ingredient, some pumpkin puree. Let's add 1 cup of pumpkin puree, which is about half of what you would get in a normal 15-ounce can. And last but not least, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's give a good stir to our wet ingredients. Once they're thoroughly combined, go ahead and add your dry ingredients bowl. And keep mixing until the little bits of flour have all disappeared into the batter. Terrific! Our cookie batter is complete. So let's get out a pan lined with parchment paper so that we can scoop out the cookie dough. Using a cookie scoop or a regular tablespoon, scoop out even little balls of cookie dough. Leave a couple of inches of space between each cookie to give them some room to spread on the pan. Now flatten out each cookie just a little bit using the back of a spoon. And now time to put these cookies into the oven. Let's leave these in the oven to bake for about 12 to 14 minutes or until they're fully cooked. Sounds like our cookies are done. The cinnamon and pumpkin smell amazing! Take a look at that! Let's leave the cookies to cool on the pan for at least 5 minutes. Then we can move them over to the cooling rack. These cookies look amazing! Time to give them a taste! Wow, that's extra good! It's so light and fluffy, just like the top of a muffin would be. The pumpkin flavor is delicious and there's just a little hint of cinnamon. This is such a fun cookie! Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a wonderful time making these pumpkin muffin top cookies, and I hope you'll give the recipe a try too. What a fun way to celebrate the fall. I'll see you guys again soon, and happy creating!